Hi, I'm Dan from Foundations Zambia, and over the next few episodes we're going to be talking about how to bring life back to our soils. Here in Mkushi, we're passionate about stewardship. We believe that God has entrusted to us so many things, whether it be our fields, our gardens, our homes, or even our finances. And we need to be asking, how can we be good stewards of those things? Think about your land, think about your gardens. Is there life in your soil? Are your plants, are your crops healthy? We know that in many of our soils, because of the practices that we've been using, the life in our soil has decreased, which means that our plants can never be as healthy as God intended them to be. Here in Mkushi, we demonstrate, we research, we teach, and we walk a journey with farmers of all kinds, trying to understand how we can be faithful stewards of the land and how we can bring life back to our soils, how we can regenerate depleted soils. Because we know that life starts in the soil. It's the soil, when it's healthy, that brings life to our plants, that helps our plants to flourish. We practice something we like to call regenerative agriculture. Now, regenerative agriculture shares a lot of principles with conservation agriculture. Conservation agriculture states that we must not till our land. Conservation agriculture states that we must not burn our land, but we must keep a mulch cover. And it also states that we must rotate our crops or our vegetables. And all these things are wonderful. But you know, conservation requires that there be something to conserve. And we know that in many of our soils, there's just nothing left. So we want to say that what we want to do is restorative agriculture. And to do restorative agriculture, yes, we follow those three principles that I mentioned, and we also add something very important, which is compost. And we're going to be talking about a particular kind of compost called thermal compost, which has the power not just to feed our crops, but to bring life back to our soils. So we're going to show you over the course of the next few episodes ways in which we care for our soil, ways in which we are faithful stewards of the land, ways in which you at home can do those very things and can bring in abundance from your fields and your gardens.